What's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about the mainstream media and how they have been feeding you negativity. Now, this video we're going to enlighten you of a lot of things that you haven't been aware of. But I really want to especially help you gain a new perspective on life, a new frame, a new pair of glasses that are going to totally change the way you see life. So get ready, guys, because you are about to be eye-opened. Now, for a lot of my life, I believed what the media told me. I thought that everything they said on the news, on television, was true. I took it to heart. And I let it infect me and grow inside me like a bacteria that's gonna kill me. Not literally, but mentally. I let the media into my soul and I let it feed on me. But you know what? It was symbiotic. I was feeding on it. I let my negative emotions, my sense of worthlessness, just get sucked into it. I let the media validate those parts of me. But today, I'm going to tell you how you can stop that from happening. How you can cut out this negative machine that we call the media. Now, it's not the media's fault. It's not their fault that they're bad, or that they're negative, or that they're whatever labels and connotations that people are going to place on them. It's not their fault. It's everyone together that makes this happen. And the thing is, you don't have to stop watching the media. No one does. You can keep on doing it. It's your choice. You can let that happen. But you can also be different, and you can decide to take a different route, more spiritual route that will definitely make you feel more wholesome, more happy. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about subjects that are so old and so ancient that it is absolutely unbelievable that no one has spoke about these. Very few have spoke about these subjects, but it all ties into this modern media. It is all connected, which is amazing and beautiful. So, if you're ready, if you are ready to be enlightened, whatever that means. Enlightened can mean whatever the fuck you want it to mean. But for me, enlightened means understanding myself and being grounded in myself and connecting to myself. If you're ready to feel that, then keep on watching. So today I want to talk to you about frames. Frames are very important, and you hear the word frame all the time. When you control the frame, you feel great. The media right now controls the frame. Many wars were started by the media, if you look back into history. The general public usually believes what the media says. When the media leads them on to a certain opinion, to a certain ideology, the general public will usually follow. So right now we are in this very special place, this very special moment in time where we're kind of losing faith with the media, and we're being more critical of what they have to say, which I think is really healthy. So let's talk about frames. A frame is a filter that you put over your thinking process. So you can have a negative thinking process, which would be a negative frame. You could have a positive thinking process, which is a positive frame. You know, and I look at it like a pair of glasses. You want those positivity glasses where you put them on and you just see the world through a positive light. And I'm not saying to be overly optimistic and to just look at everything as rainbows and sunshine, because that can also get you killed and that's dangerous. But I'm telling you to just have a little moderation and to take off those negative glasses. Those glasses are the media. When you tune into the media, you are putting on those negative glasses. I want you to just take them off for a little while. Take a little break and look through life through the positive glasses. Now you may be asking yourself, well, Anoah, what are these positive glasses? Well, I'm going to tell you. These positive glasses are very easy to come by. In fact, they're only 15 bucks or less, and they're available on Amazon or any bookstore. See, books are the key. Read some books. I'm going to tell you one book that will really change your life and will put on a pair of brand new positive glasses right over your eyes and change your whole frame of reality. This book is called The Power of Now. Go check it out in bookstores. I'm not getting paid for any of this, but I will link a link in the description and you can go check it out. It's a great book. You can even get it for free at your public library. Try it out. It's a great book. So in this book, written by Eckhart Tolle. One second, my mom's calling me. Hello? Sorry about that, a little disruption. So, in this book written by Eckhart Tolle, he talks about the power of now. It's simple as that, that's the title of the book. And the power of now is, what he is trying to convey is the importance of focusing on the present moment, right here, right now. Focus, okay? Take your hands, look at them. Fucking look at your hands, look how amazing they are. Look at all those patterns and those little indents, and look how crazy this world is. Like, holy shit, life is a fucking trip. We are on a planet, we are on a rock that is in the middle of space, spinning, going around a giant fucking ball of fire that could at any time shoot fire at our small little planet and kill us all. Think about that. Isn't that fucking amazing? That's where we are. We are in this universe that is expanding, that is so massive and fucking utterly huge that you cannot even comprehend it at all. So get down to the present moment, really appreciate that you are here, that you are even alive, because it took so many mistakes, so many chances of luck and opportunity and explosions and stars smashing into each other and our planet being ripped apart into two pieces. One of those pieces is the moon and the other is us. Our planet was ripped apart, and that created heat and fire and disaster, and through all that disaster and chaos came life. A little rock turned into something that was living, that can multiply, and through evolution and through all of these processes, an asteroid hit our planet, killed the dinosaurs. Through all of that, we came out of it. You came out of it. You are here, sitting on this planet, wherever you are, because of all of that. Came through it all. So really enjoy this moment right now, right here, in this time and place, because you're only gonna feel this now. And once that's done, it's in the past, and the past don't matter. The past is trash. You can take that past, you can crumple it up, and you can throw it behind you. And you know, only go back to it if it's absolutely necessary, if it's absolutely important. But in most cases, you'll unconsciously always be fixing yourself, improving yourself, where you don't even have to think about the past. In the future, never look forward to the future. Only look forward to the present, to the now. Because the present will bring the future to you, okay? You don't need to wait for the future. It's always there. There's no such thing as future. You live in the present, you're always there. Things are just changing around you, that's all. So in this book, Eckhart Tolle talks about connecting to yourself, connecting to your inner being, to your inner soul. And it's really easy. It's very easy to do. You can do it yourself. I can guide you through it right now, very quickly. What you want to do is you want to take a deep breath through your nose, like so. Just in through your nose, out through your mouth, and think about your hands. And the easiest way to explain this is try feeling your hands without touching them. Without touching your hands, just try feeling them. Hold them up like this. You feel your hands, can you feel that energy running through them? You feel it? No, bring that attention and just try feeling your feet. Try feeling your stomach without touching it, just feeling it. And that's presence. It's connecting to your body. You can think of it this way. It's like your body is your hardware and your mind is your software. And you want to connect those two together and be congruent, because for most people, their software and their hardware are not congruent, and it's tearing them apart right in half. Do you want to be torn apart? I don't think anyone wants to be torn apart. That fucking sucks. So learn to bring it together, combine it tight like this, be congruent in your thinking and your actions, and you'll feel great. Feel great, and it's so easy. Every day, just sit down for 10 minutes, just focus on your body, feel that life essence within you, really connect, really feel yourself, and that's called meditation. It's simple, it's easy, don't overcomplicate it. Meditation is so easy. Meditation isn't about not thinking. Meditation isn't about not doing anything. It's not about doing anything either. It's just about being in the now and just focusing on the present moment. That's all meditation is about. Very easy. Don't pay a bunch of money for some nonsense guru to tell you that it's something else, because it's not. Everyone can do it. Anyone can do it. It just takes a little practice, it takes a little investment of time, but you will do it, and it will improve your life in many, many ways. So next time you think about opening up your media app and watching CNN or reading The Guardian or wherever other nonsense political media is out there, all bad news, mostly negative, mostly feeding into that negativity loop, take a step back and just think, well, instead of doing this, maybe I'll just sit down, close my eyes, and meditate for a little while. Try it. You'll thank me for it later. So this video was made out of love for everyone out there and for your improvement and your mental health. And I really hope that you gained some new perspectives from this video. Go check out The Power of Now. Go check out Eckhart Tolle's book. I think you will really, really enjoy that book. Thank you for watching. This has been Anoah, and I'm out.